Halo.
Halo.
Yeah, I roast my mom to death. And we can just go.
Sorry. Tut mir leid.
Raclette with bread is this one. You get a piece of bread and above you get all the cheese.
Okay.
Then with potatoes is the same, but instead of the bread you get potatoes on the plate, and now it comes all the cheese above the potatoes.
Anyone? The lady's arm's going to get sore leaning over like that. But a Malteser. Do you like the Malteser one?
When you eat it, don't squeeze it too much.
It's probably written in fan somewhere.
Thank you.
Ik had gezegd, blijft weg. Op het grote rood, nou, die alleen.
Danke sehr, tschüss.
klar, hätten wir abgerichtet.